Hi everyone, welcome to Belinda's DIYs. Today I'm going to be creating this Valentine backdrop using Dollar Tree items. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so these are some of the items that I'll be using. Now I'll be using a lot of these little miniature clothespins and also some of this twine and also these foam hearts and also some of these heart doilies. And this is mainly what I'll be using for my backdrop. So I started off by hanging this wood-like backdrop. Now this I ordered from Amazon and I went ahead and I used some thumbtacks to hang it. You can also staple it, but I just figured that the thumbtacks worked really well. I'll go ahead and put the link to this backdrop in the description section. So what I did next is secure the twine with these thumbtacks. So let me see if I can explain. So all I did is just secure the twine with a thumbtack and then I would cross it over to the other end of the backdrop and then pin it down with a thumbtack, and then I would go across to the other side and then pin the twine to the other end of the backdrop. And then I continued those same steps, creating some zigzags across my backdrop. I apologize, I filmed this with my phone. I wasn't gonna film this. This was actually done for my church, so I didn't have my camera and my setup. Okay, so now that I have my twine up on my backdrop, I'm gonna be using these hearts right here, and I'll be pinning them with those miniature clothespins. And I'm going to be using a combination of these foam hearts and also the heart doilies. And this is how it turned out once I hung all my hearts on the twine. Next, I also added some white lights to drape around the sides and also the top area. And then lastly, I'm going to be using some of this mesh, and I have this light pink and then I have one that's a little bit darker. So I'll be using both of these. I'll be placing the mesh up at the top. And this is how it turned out. I alternated one side with the light pink and then the darker pink on the opposite side. This was very easy and simple to make, yet it looks really pretty. I think so. Now, the majority of the items are from Dollar Tree. The only things that are not is the wood-like backdrop and also the lights. Those items I already had on hand. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this very short video, and at the end of the day, please remember that God loves you and you're important to Him. Bye-bye and God bless.